HubKoin Exchange Tutorials: How to send cryptocurrency to an external wallet. To begin, you will need to log into your HubKoin account. Go to hubcoin.io and click the Sign In button at the top right-hand corner. You will be redirected to trade.hubcoin.io and you should see the login screen. Enter your credentials and log in. When you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Select Wallets on the top banner. You will see modules, one for every kind of currency you have. For example, if you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Canadian dollars, you will see a module for each currency. At the bottom of each module, you will see an arrow pointing to the top right. This is the send icon. To send cryptocurrency, select the send icon. A menu will come up on the right side of your screen. This is where you will enter the information of the person you are sending cryptocurrency to. To send cryptocurrency to an external wallet, select External Wallet. Enter the wallet address of the person you wish to send cryptocurrency to in the External Address section and the amount of currency you wish to send. Enter a note to go with the transaction if you wish. This is an optional step. When the information is entered correctly, select the Send option. A pop-up will appear. This pop-up will show the information you have entered. If everything is to your satisfaction, select Confirm. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through sending cryptocurrency to an external wallet.